Diane and Denmark here. Guess what? It is Sunday. I've just been out for a swim with my cold water swimming peeps. Just waiting for Sue to come and join me. We're going to get a cup of coffee. Anyway, what am I decluttering today? This is the last day that I'm working on Zone 1, which is the entryway to the house, the hall, whatever. I've found a few lanterns in the garden that got broken. That's what I'm decluttering today, and I've also got some pamphlets of stuff that we had from when we went to the ice swimming championships in France. Anyway, remember, just look for one item, just one, start there, recycle, hand on to a friend, and that's your mission for today. So all I've got left to say is live long and prosper, may the cold water and Danish sunshine be with you. Give you a wee look here. And I'll see you tomorrow when we will be working on Zone 2. Okay, bye for now.